Body of elderly Manchester man found in Gully. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The police in Manchester are probing the circumstances surrounding the death of an elderly man whose body was found in Gully district on Thursday night. The deceased has been identified as 61-year-old farmer Ian Williams of Johns Hall in Gully. Williams' body was found in the gully in the community around 10:15 p.m. by a search party hours after he was reported missing. According to the police, no marks of violence were observed on the body. Residents reported that Williams was last seen drinking earlier in the day. It is believed that intoxication may have contributed to his death. Links 007 TV will track this story and provide you with more information to come on this. Thanks for watching.